You say hello in German, you say hello in French.
Do you think I know how to say hello in German?
Yeah.
I'm not even German. Honestly, guys, I think we're gonna do a great job.
If we don't work instructors, not posted.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sarah, Bree, and me, Anna.
So basically, we have to work together to bake a cake, except one of our 5 senses is going to be taken away from us. And so for me, it's going to be my ears. For Bree, it's her eyes. And for Anna, it's her mouth. But technically, me and Anna could pretty much finish this entire thing without any help because we still have our eyes, you know what I'm saying? But Bree has to do most of the work because she's going to be blind. So yeah.
Okay, let's get equipped.
You should play Grenade by Bruno Mars.
You should literally shut up. That's what you should do.
You know what? You want to take my mouth?
Wait, I can't smile.
Can I take this also? Guys, we had to go with pink. We got strawberry cake and cupcake mix, but we're making cupcakes. And we got strawberry icing.
It's crazy that we didn't even record Anna's last word to us. Sorry. There you go. It's literally, it's giving recording studio and All American.
Okay,
you know?
That's camera action.
As loud as I can.
Okay, here's the box. What are we supposed to do now?
Ow! Bree, shut up.
Read the ingredients. Don't worry.
I have to read it to her.
Well, yes,
Set oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Coat bottom covered with no stick cooking spray or shortening and a flour dusting. Do we have a flour dusting?
we don't have flour.
Oh,
Open it. Open it. Open it.
You have to open it. You have to open it.
No, I can't open it. I'm not strong enough. Is that good? I mean, it's just like a thing.
Okay.
Wait, I need the oil, right? Can you read the ingredients to me? Can you read the ingredients to me? What? Where's the box? Hey, read the ingredients to me.
1 cup of water.
Okay, I need
1/4 cup oil. 4 large eggs.
Where's the
Why is she good at this?
I'm really good. No way! How much vegetable
read the
oil?
oil.
How much? How much? How much?
I'm reading 1/4 cup oil.
Okay.
I'll tell you when to stop.
Tell me.
Okay, stop.
Yeah.
4 large eggs.
You get the large eggs.
Wait, why is she so good at this?
Oh, where's the other ones? I eat eggs every day.
Okay.
Sarah,
What?
read the next step. Read the next step.
Okay.
Yeah, after. What's next?
Beat cake mix, water, oil, and eggs in bowl with
Beat.
mixer on medium speed for 2 minutes.
We don't have a mixer.
We don't have a mixer.
Get the whisk. Huh?
Okay, slow down. Wait, beat the eggs,
Did I beat it?
yeah. Get the edges, yeah. But slow down.
Oh, okay. You're really yelling. You're yelling.
Huh?
You're yelling. You know what I'm saying?
What did she say? Good. Get the edges.
Yes,
Get the
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Why is she so good at this?
Because I'm a pro chef.
Okay, too much edge, too much edge.
You've got me
Can y'all hear my music?
No.
Oh.
Is it done?
What?
Is it done?
What did she say?
Is it?
It's done.
It's done? Is it good? Okay.
Oh, you're using the midnight? Wait, get it.
Great, thank you. I'm scared. Here you go, babe.
Okay, you're good, you're good. Yeah, just get closer.
Okay.
I'll hold it.
Okay.
Oh.
Different spatula. Oh, thank you so much. I was struggling.
That one's done. That one's done. This one. Do this one.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Less than, no,
I'm not gonna pour it.
I said less than that.
Just a
okay.
little bit. That one was good, right?
I'm trying to play a rock song. Oh, okay. Hey, she's kind of good at this, low key.
I am. Ew. My fingers are slimy. Are they all done? No? No.
Not that one. Not that one.
Perfect, done?
You have one more row left. No, not that. Not that. Go up. Go up. Yeah, right there. Could use a little more, but it's okay.
More?
It's okay.
Is it more? No. Okay. I'll add some more, don't worry.
No, too much.
She said more.
This one. Yeah. Yeah.
Whiplash.
That has a clump of flour in it. That's a literal clump of flour. Stop.
I can't. I'm washed.
Ew.
You didn't mix it good enough. We're done? No one's responding. Why? Are we done? We're done?
Oh, put it in the oven.
I'm cleaning. I'm a mess. Are we done, Anna? I can take it off?
19 to 20.
We're done.
Oh, can I take them off?
We're done.
Hey, that was amazing, y'all.
That's only half the battle. We still have to decorate.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're taking a break?
Bree, you did great.
Yeah.
Really? I killed it?
Killed it. Oh, God. Okay. See you in 21 minutes.
Hey.
Welcome back.
Wait, where's the duct tape?
Guys, we're switching it up.
Where's it on?
We're about to take the cupcakes out of the oven and then
blind.
I am now deaf. This woman's blind. Okay.
It's called double security.
It's called double.
Double reassurance. Have y'all seen De La Revenge? Okay. I hope I don't embarrass myself. Who is this? It's probably Bree. She can't talk. Bree not talking is the best part about this entire video. So, I can't keep my hands to myself.
Everyone, back up. I'm taking the cupcake out of the oven.
Me and Bree we're getting in the corner. She's putting hot stuff on the counter.
Got them.
What is being yet
Watch
of
out.
you using the oven? That's not an excuse. Or what? you perk your hand? You literally, like, you have your eyes too. Y'all, come on. Help me out here.
You have to whip this, right?
I'll whip it. I'm just kidding. Sorry.
Do you need a bowl? Do you need a bowl to whip it. God, I can't bring your lips.
No! Don't need a bowl to whip anything. Okay, wait, what do you mean whip it?
Whip it up.
Right here? Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, like break it up? This is so weird. Okay, I think it's whipped. Okay. Too much? You should nod my head, I can't understand you. That's too much. Okay. Where's the cupcake?
If anyone's curious, I'm listening to the Black Eyed Peas.
Nobody cares. Literally nobody. Am I slaying right now?
Sarah, you're doing a great job.
Thank you! Alright, where do I put this? Where's the plate at?
Maybe like 5 times the amount of icing.
Bree, your hands are wet! You sicko! Okay, I did have 5 times the amount of icing and then Bree was like, that's too much. So let me just, like that much?
Oh, there we go. That's amazing. More to the left.
Oh,
to the left.
it's
More to the
crumbling.
left. Quick, it's going
Oh, no. Okay. I don't know my left and my right.
Jesus
so that's gonna
Christ.
belong to me. I look at the evil so
Here,
bad.
wait, put some sprinkles on it.
Okay.
Here.
Oh! Is it open? Did you open it for me at least?
Do you need it to be opened?
Yes!
Sorry.
It's okay.
Do you want gold and white pearls?
Yeah.
Are you sure? There's a bunch
Literally
of
around the page.
There's
Tell me about it.
white normal sprinkles.
No.
There's gold little baby sprinkles.
I like gold.
Okay. Here you go.
I like gold. I like the finer things in life. Ooh, that's a bit, ew. You know what this feels like? That stuff at the dentist office that you put your teeth in, and it's pink, so that's a plus. Okay. You not right now? What?
Oh my god.
What's wrong? Bree, no one can understand what you're saying right now. Like you're not doing anything with your mumbles. Okay, wait. Am I? Oh, more icing? Oh no! Oh no! Huh? More? Can you nod my head so I can understand you? You have more. Okay.
I'm feeling super left out right now.
This is so good. Yes. Right.
Sprinkle time.
Your water is getting all over me. Like literally stop. Okay, I need sprinkles. Is it open? Your hands are wet. I swear when you touch the wet hands one more time. Okay. Woo!
Look at that.
Can you help me for God's sake? This is what I'm doing. Okay.
I can see your lips moving, but not
Your
my
lips
lips.
not moving. Okay. Oh, wait.
Maybe we should try the silent
Wait. Stop it. Oh, I got this. Using, this is why. Ooh, okay, look at me.
Perfect. Stop. Perfect.
I'm just gonna bite it
I'll
right
take
now.
it from you.
Yes, okay.
Jesus, your hands are so gross.
Oh, why'd you tell me that? Now, this was all Bree's fault. See how there's absolutely nothing in here? I can feel the paper. It's like a little green paint.
Okay, so for some reason my camera stopped recording, but we finished and
I did an amazing job, by the way.
Sarah did an amazing job.
Look at
Show
them.
the
Look how
cupcakes.
beautiful. In another world, think of these as your Pinterest cute little birthday casual cupcakes. We're gonna try them now, even though
So
I think
casual.
Yeah. Wait, I think this one's specifically for me because I literally hate icing. Okay.
I'm not gonna lie.
Why is it purple and yellow
Oh,
inside?
it's funfetti.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm
it's
glad
this
they're-
way.
They're not that good.
Just like eggshells.
No,
They
they're
call
bad.
flour.
No, they're not bad, but like I don't like strawberries.
I don't like strawberries.
But
It's
I'll
all
eat it.
strawberry.
No.
Okay, well thank you for watching.
I give it a 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. Let us know if there's any other videos y'all want us to film. I think we're gonna film a rating celebrities Halloween costume video. So expect that in your
So
future.
slay.
Expect
Soon.
to laugh out loud sometime soon.
We just love you guys so much.
We just love you so much.
We love our
Nobody
fandom.
was watching. Nobody's gonna watch. We need zero.
Hey, my mom is gonna watch
I'm
this.
telling my entire FIG class to watch this tomorrow. So
No!
yeah, I literally am.
Oh man. Alright, well, we'll see you later.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Great day.